Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can lock or unlock your MAXCOM phone. So as you can see, in my case I cannot enter for menu because there is the lock enabled. So if you want to turn it off, you just have to rotate your phone like that on the right side and find this button. When you click on it once, as you can see, it's not working, right? So we have to click and hold it. And after a few moments, we are able to use our phone. To lock the phone, you have to do the same. So click and hold this lock button on the right side. And right now, it's not activated. We cannot press any buttons. We can only make the emergency calls. To unlock, just do the same. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.